Starting vegetables from seed takes patience, along with some skill and some practice. Two of the best seed growers I know are Whitney and Sue Lynn Robinson of Whole Earth Acre. Whitney and Sue Lynn sell strong, healthy seedlings at local farmers markets. Starting with seedlings like these greatly improves your chances of gardening success. I stopped by the greenhouses to see Whitney and Sue Lynn in action. I love it when you get ready to go to market. What have you got?
I have cauliflower, Brussels sprout, 3 different kinds of kale.
How long ago did you start these seeds?
From the seed to this stage, anywhere from 3 to 4 months.
I'd love to see how you start the seeds. Can you show me?
Come on by, I'll show you my potting bench.
This is quite the collection, Sue Lynn. Are these all your seeds?
Oh no, I have a lot more.
Well, how about if you show us how to plant broccoli seeds?
Okay, and so we can put soil in the 4-inch pot, just like this. You fill it up with soil. Carefully sprinkle a few seeds in here. Just put a little bit of soil on top of it. You don't want to bury it too deep. And I'll get myself another pot, the same size, and I put it on top of it. Tamp it down gently so the soil and the seed will have a better contact. After that, the important thing is you must label it, because otherwise they all look the same. And I'll take it to the greenhouse and water it. And so you don't want to overwater it or underwater it, and keep an even moisture. That is very important. Too wet, the seedling will die off, or too dry, of course, they won't germinate. They move the pots inside the greenhouses where the seeds sprout. After 4 or 5 weeks, Sue Lynn moves them back outside. The Robinsons grow their seedlings under conditions very similar to real garden conditions, and intentionally so. These seedlings are not pumped up on fertilizer or coddled by heat. So when you plant them in your garden, they skip the transplant shock and hit the ground running. With Whitney and Sue Lynn Robinson's boutique approach, they start seeds, grow them into robust, high-quality seedlings, and sell them directly to home gardeners.